Hi there, guys and girls. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful midnight snacks. Thank you, Akira, for your treat. I really appreciate your
My
kindness.
pleasure.
Guys, we still have a slice of pizza. Do you want? Sige, sige. It's okay. So, there's the bill. And then we still,
1,060. Ano mode of payment?
Cash.
Cash.
we still have pasta. Do you want? I don't know if I can still finish this one, guys, because my stomach are fully loaded. I'm very full. Thank you so much, Akira, for the treat. So I'll ask the server to take this out. And then, you want to take this out? To bring you want to bring this to your house, Dina? So I'm gonna bring this na lang in my
Ano siya?
house.
Balsamic.
And then afterwards, when I got home, if I still can eat this one ganit or on the following day, once the day comes out, I feel like to blur back. I don't know, my digestion is some kind of a hard to anyway, it's okay. I'm fully loaded. Thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings. Shout out to each every one of you guys and girls. Bye for now. You wanna greet? So, greet your beloved brother and your beloved sister.
Hello.
What's their names?
Wherever you are.
What's their names? First name?
Si Andrew.
Who?
Si Andrew.
Andrew and you forgot your sister, huh? And then,
Sila Erica.
do you have your special someone?
No,
Ah,
no.
Nan. So how are you right now?
Still recuperating.
Very good. Keep on going.
Still to move on.
Yeah.
Life has to go.
Yes. We have lots of plans ahead.
Yeah, maybe God prepares me for a better,
Yeah.
place.
But you know what, guys and girls, I'm not gonna tell you much of the story of Akira because this is not the right time and we have very much ample time for you to discuss. But what I can say to Akira is a very kind person, not only for me but to other friends that he has. He's very quite generous and a very understanding, loving person, and he is really a blessed person because something bad happened to him, but he's still alive. But I'm not gonna tell you guys what. It's a very long story, but I just want you to know, Akira, you are such a very blessed person. That's why, and as you can see on her, how can I call you her or him?
Any
As you can see, right him on his face is still flawless and he still look or with an aura and with the kind of thing that an X factor. Thank you, Akira. Bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you.